Hey guys, welcome back to the new presentation of Guru School, and I'm Kushbu, and again welcoming you back in our English class where I'll be gonna go ahead and help you with the vocabulary. See guys, I'm on the same phase that I'm also learning some new things, and learning is always goes on in our life. It never stops and we should never stop it. So हम आगे से बढ़ते रहेंगे और दिन पर दिन नई चीजें सीखते रहेंगे. So, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस को कैसे आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो नए वर्ड्स के थ्रू. That's gonna be happen in this today presentation, and that's really very important to learn how to express your feelings and emotions in a new way. ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर टाइम हर पल होती ही रहती है, क्योंकि कोई किसी एक्सप्रेशन में होता है, कोई किसी इमोशन में होता है, कोई किसी फीलिंग में होता हर कोई किसी ना किसी फीलिंग में. जैसे अभी मैं एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग मूड में हूँ कि मैं आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाने वाली हूँ आज, और बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी मूड में हूँ, चीयरफुल मूड में हूँ कि यस आई एम गोना शेयर समथिंग विद यू. सो इसी तरीके से आप भी वहाँ पे होंगे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट में बैठे होंगे कि ओके फटाफट वीडियो आगे चले और मैं फटाफट सीखूँ क्या आप बोलना चाहती हैं. तो without wasting in time, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the feelings and emotions, how we can go ahead and share. तो सबसे पहला इमोशन जो आप यहाँ पिक्चर में भी देख रहे होंगे कि वो पिक्चर आपको क्या शो कर रहा है, हैप्पी और मे बी वेरी हैप्पी. Just like this picture, I'm also gonna go ahead and talk about very happy feeling. So आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी फीलिंग अगर होती है और आप बहुत ज़्यादा किसी से खुश हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी जगह हम यूज़ करेंगे डिलाइटेड. द वर्ड इज डिलाइटेड. सो हम डिलाइटेड यूज़ करेंगे, जैसे कि I'm feeling delighted to see you here. I feel delighted when I am going to share something with you. And if I talk about more examples, then Jim was delighted when he saw his parents on his birthday. One more thing, if you want one more example, then I can go ahead and share it with you that Ria felt delighted when she saw that she got good scores in her exams. Happy or maybe very happy. So you can use delighted instead of very happy. And I will really feel delighted if you give me a sentence on delighted in the comment section box. So go ahead and make sentences with the same word and I feel really delighted. Now, the second emotion which I want to share it with you is, what do you think? What is happening in this picture? Sad, or maybe very sad, or maybe depressed. So, to express this feeling or to convey this message that what exactly you're feeling, I want to give a name is dejected. Repeat that, dejected. Of course, dejected really sounds with rejected. So, rejected means rejected से हमें क्या feel होता है? Rejected. So, you can go ahead and use dejected whenever you are feeling very sad or depressed. Like, I feel dejected when I'm not gonna share any kind of information with you. Or else, I will be feeling very dejected if you are not gonna make any sentences on the same word in the comment section box. I know I'm saying it with a smile, but I'm giving this some examples. If you need more examples, then Ria felt dejected when she failed the exam. So this is all about when you feel so sad or depressed. Let's move to our third emotion. Now, the third emotion is right here. What do you think? What is happening in this picture? It's anger, or maybe very angry. Oh my God, it's very angry, right? So, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा को आप कैसे explain करोगे? Furious. Repeat that. Furious. Furious is the word which you can replace with to express your angeriness or to express your anger mood. It feels like I'm very furious when the things not goes like as I want. Or else, The teacher got furious at the children when she got to know that they misbehaved in her absence. More examples? I'll get very furious if you do not comment to make the sentences of the same word. So just go ahead and make the sentences, otherwise I'll be very furious at you. So drop the comments in the comment section box and make some sentences. Now let's move to our fourth emotion. Now look at this picture. What do you think what is happening in this picture? It's shocking or maybe surprising. They're feeling surprised when maybe they have seen something or maybe they have done something. So they're feeling surprised. So what is the word to use to express this feeling? It's amazed. We got this word from the amazing word. From the amazing, we got the word that's amazed, which means that I'm amazed to see your learning. I'm amazed to see that a lot of people are learning from this channel. And if I give more examples on amazed, then Tim was amazed to see his parents on his birthday. And I will be really amazed when I got to know that you guys did a lot of comments in the comment section box, and I will be really amazed to see your learning. So just go ahead and make me amazed. Now let's move to the next emotion. See this picture. What do you think? What is happening? Oh my God, मुझे तो डर लग रहा है. I know smile का डर कभी नहीं लग सकता, but still, this emotion is expressing about feeling, डर. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, So इस feeling को हम कैसे express करेंगे? Horrified. Repeat with me. It's horrified. I feel really horrified whenever I see my morning face. Oh my God. See guys, I am taking the comments on me, please. So don't give me negative comments about my looks. I'm so really sorry. If it's really horrified you, I'm sorry for that. Then if I give a next example, then it could be the campers felt horrified when they saw the tiger coming towards them. Or I feel really horrified when I give you the quiz and you do not perform well. So please perform well so that I could feel delighted or amazed. So please do not get horrified to drop me the comments in the comment section box instead of making the sentences. So go ahead and make some sentences on horrified as well. Look at this picture. What do you think? What is the feeling is expressing right now? They're hiding their face, or maybe they're feeling embarrassed, or maybe they're feeling shame. So to express this feeling, like to be feeling shame or feeling embarrassed, you can use the word ashamed. Repeat, ashamed. So you can go ahead and use the same word, ashamed, just like I feel really ashamed when my students do not perform well. Or the mother was ashamed for her children's behavior. Or if I talk about you, so do not feel ashamed in dropping the comments or in making the sentences. So go ahead and make some sentences. Look at this picture. What do you think? What is he describing? So it's describing that, no, please, I don't want to do that. Please don't make me to do this. When you are unwilling to do something, or whenever you're forcing to do something which you do not want to do. That's called reluctant. Repeat after me, reluctant. It means whenever you have to do that thing which you really don't want to do. Just like when I feel reluctant when my mom says to call the relatives. I feel reluctant. That I really don't want to make the call. Please don't force me to do this. Or else, it could be like Tim felt reluctant when he's supposed to do which he doesn't want to do. Else, I would say, I'm sure you're not feeling reluctant to go ahead and dropping the comments in the comment section box. Right? You're willing to do this. So go ahead and do not feel reluctant. What do you think this picture says? I think this picture says very excited, or excitement to do something, or excitement when something is going to happen. You can go ahead and express these feelings with the help of the word eager. Repeat after me, it's eager. So eager आप use कर सकते हो to express your feeling for excitement. Whenever you're feeling excitement, go ahead and use the word eager. So just like I'm eager to see the comments in the comment section box. Or I'm sure you must be eager to know what is going to be happen in the next class of the Guru School. Or the third example could be that Salma was eager to start her new dance classes. So these sentences are going to show the excitement which is going to be happen in their life. So I'm eager to see the comments in the comment section box. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and drop the comments in the comment section box. Last but not the least word which I'm going to tell you here is, अगर आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा होता है जो आप आपको होप होती है कि I'm gonna crack this, और चाहे कुछ भी हो रिजल्ट मेरे फेवर में होगा, यानी कि आप बहुत होपफुल होते हो, आप कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो, तो उस फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. रिपीट दैट, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. सो ऑप्टिमिस्टिक वर्ड आप बेसिकली यूज कर सकते हो अपनी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को शो करने के लिए, अपनी पॉजिटिविटी को शो करने के लिए. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन यूज एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक पर्सन दैट whatever I do, I get the positive results. Similarly, अगर आपकी टीम में कोई ऐसे प्लेयर्स होते हैं जो not that good, still one person is there who thinks that he will be able to crack that game. So we can simply say he's a very optimistic person. He will definitely gonna crack the game. So it means this person is very hopeful and very confident. So similarly, you guys have to be really optimistic that you will definitely gonna learn the English and learn the new vocabulary words very soon. Right? So go ahead and drop the comments in the comment section box of making your sentences. So I will feel really delighted, or else I'll get furious at you. So go ahead and drop the comments, and if I'll get the majority to know the quiz, definitely I'm gonna arrange the quiz for you. So please go ahead and do this well. So that's it for this presentation. Hope you liked it, and hope this is very worthy for you to learning the new emotions and feeling words for you, how you can go ahead and describe it. So I'll be coming up in the next presentation with new words and new vocabulary. So stay tuned and to get more updates of our new presentations, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and of course like, share and comments as much as you can. Till then, take care of yourself, and of course, happy learning.